It started in 1997 in a modest Malaysian workshop, just a few machines, a few dreamers, and one big vision, founded by Danny Quack, with a mission to craft something extraordinary. From simple leather and raw determination, every stitch told a story. Every seat cover carried the mark of passion, precision, and pride. What began small started to grow, from a local manufacturer to a trusted partner for the world's biggest automotive names: Honda, Volvo, Toyota, Ford, Hyundai, Kia, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Peugeot, Citroën, and Proton. Decades later, DK Leather Seats stands as one of the global leaders in car cabin styling. We use only the finest leathers from Italy and Europe, turning craftsmanship into art and comfort into experience. Once exclusive to major car makers, our expertise now reaches every car owner, bringing world-class quality, once reserved for the elite, directly to your driveway. From humble beginnings to international excellence, DK Schweizer has grown beyond Malaysia, with a strong presence in multiple countries from Malaysia to the world, driven by passion, perfected through time.